What's up guys, this is 1UX1 and is it too late to join UX design? Well, it's not too late at all. You're actually early to the party, so you're not going to be missing out. UX design and UX research is not too late to join because it's only beginning. It's so new still to so many people, and you can gauge that by ask anybody, anywhere, ask your friends, go to a coffee shop and say, do you know what UX design is? And I can guarantee you most people have never heard of it, haven't got a clue. And that just shows you how rare it is. And rarity means demand. And in reality, there's a huge demand for UX design, UX research. So it's not going to be dying or vanishing. Rather, it's only going to grow exponentially over time. So this concern comes from a natural insecurity people have. And I had the same, I had all these questions. It's like, what's the point of studying something, learning about it, doing the courses, spending money and time if the career is going to disappear? So it's something that we want to have that security that if I'm going to do this, I'm going to go through the whole process of learning UX design or UX research, then it better be worth it. I don't want to end up where, you know, it's the jobs are gone, there's no jobs out there. So the sure way of ensuring that you're confident that it's not disappearing is to go online and look at job websites and see how many jobs are available. And you'll see thousands of jobs available around the world at any one given time. Now, as time is moving towards everything going remote and online, UX design is becoming more mainstream. And so rather than disappearing, more and more people are becoming aware of it. More companies are investing more money, hiring more UX designers and UX researchers, especially because they're realizing without the UX designer having the data from UX researcher, no one can really build great design. So that's why you should download my free guides and my free taster courses. Below are the links at 1ux1.com. So, and don't forget to drop any questions you have in the comments below. So in terms of the career itself, what's going to happen is as people are more aware of UX design, the wages will go up, the amount of jobs being produced will go up, and the variety of options will widen internationally. So I know a lot of UX designers that work in different countries. Now, I'm working abroad as well, and a lot of people are working abroad because there are so many jobs. For example, if you're from the UK, you can work in Europe, in Norway, in Finland, in the Scandinavian countries. From the US, you can work in UK. If you're in the UK, you can go to India, the US, you can go to any country in the world and work. And there's always going to be work. It's normally with the larger corporations, they have work for UX designers, but you can go and fix any user needs or user problems anywhere. And that's the exciting thing about it. So there's no need to panic or worry about the security of the job. The job is extremely secure. And agencies will tell you that we really need to find more designers. They're always asking me, do you know any friends that need work? So there's always the opportunity to change your job, expand, earn more money, go contracting. There's always these opportunities. So benefit from those opportunities, and that's the best thing you can do.